Howdy folks, Desert Horizons here, AZ Off-Grid Unplugged RV Ranch. Just wanted to take a look at this. This is my new charge controller, MidNite Solar charge controller. This is the Classic 150. But today I brought in 5 kilowatt hours from 10 100 watt solar panels. That's 1,000 watts of solar panels brought in 5 kilowatt hours. But I got the new charge controller because the old one, the watts was going way up to what it should be and then dropping down to 0. And then back up and back down to 0 and back up. So I posted on the MidNite Solar forum about what it was doing and the problems I was having and asking if there was any fix for it, or was it something I was doing or what. And I was already a month out of warranty, so I wasn't expecting anything. But Ryan from MidNite Solar, the star of the videos, I'm assuming, said we'll take it back for an RMA. So I'm assuming he wanted to find out what was causing it. I had a 200 SL. I asked him, I said, can I swap this out since, you know, I'm getting another one? Can I get one that I really should have got now that I know what I need? And that was, I needed a 150 Classic rather than a 200 Classic SL. Because the 200 would only go up to 800 watts of panels. This one will go up to 1,200 watts of panels. I had to buy one more. I already had 9. I've had 9 since I've been out here. I bought one more and I got 10 up on the roof. Plugged into this. In series parallel, I got 5 of them hooked on one series line and another 5 on another series line, and then paralleled together to connect into here. All I had to really do was disconnect 4 wires, 2 from the solar panels and 2 that go out to the battery. So there's 4 wires in there I had to disconnect. So that was all I had to do there. That's why I didn't videotape that. And I put the new 4 wires back in, hooked up the one more solar panel. I already had my 8 batteries all hooked up. Turned it on and boom, worked great ever since. This was it's been almost a week ago now, I think I did it. But today was the first time I'd noticed it. Got 5 kilowatt hours already from a 12 volt system. That kind of blows my mind. But yeah, and everybody keeps asking what I do for internet. This is my internet box. It's a Verizon Jetpack. Because my ex-fiance has an account with Verizon, I ordered this through her and get it paid through her, but the Jetpack cost me $19.99. The service is $20 a month. So I think it works great. A little slower than 100 gigabytes Cox cable, but oh well. Yeah, like I said, I just wanted to show you the charge controller, and I mean, you guys know what solar panels look like, so I'm not going to do that again. That's where I'm at on this. Alright, I came outside anyway. There's the 10 panels I got on the roof. Those 5 there are all hooked together, and those 5 there are all hooked together, positive and negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. And then they're paralleled so that the positive, actually it's a negative from that side, and the negative from that side join up with the positive from that side. And anyway, you have to look online to figure out how to do it. But like I said, there's 10 panels. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooked up series parallel, so I'm getting in 1,000 watts at a shot now. All hooked up in the new charge controller. And I put my kilowatt meter on the inverter, so everything I was sucking out of the system was going through the kilowatt meter. And with everything running, and that's the refrigerator, the big TV, the big computer, and the swamp cooler, I'm drawing just like 320 watts with everything running. So with the 10 panels and a 500 watt electric space heater, I should be good. And if I can run the 500 watt space heater in the wintertime, I'll definitely be able to run a 500 watt air conditioner in the summertime. If I find out that neither one of them really works, 2 more panels and all it should be very good. Should be all set. Getting ready for, whoops, didn't zoom it out yet. Oh, wrong way. Getting ready for another sunset. It's probably about 15 minutes away. So the panels are almost out of the sun. I think they're still getting 50 watts now. At least that's what it was a little while ago. But, nice little breeze kicking up. Was maybe 103 today. Had a visitor come by today, a guy from Hawaii. Came by to check up on the place. Captain Ron Allen. So I didn't get any video. He was going to bring the motorhome up, but he decided not to. So, all right, you guys take care. Have a fun day. Bye. Howdy, everybody. We're showing you the sunset this evening. That's facing east. Kinda. And there's some clouds of some, or monsoon rains of some sort. And you're just getting close to the end of summer. This is what I do for a living now, is come out and watch the sunset and come out and watch the sunrise. That's it. Bye.